Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel C33 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings and then we have to find the display option. Now let's tap on screen timeout, and as you can see here we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, so 15 and 30 seconds, and at the bottom we've got the longest option, the 30 minutes option. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the option that to use, and I've got 10 minutes, so let me pick for example 5. It will be immediately active, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, so it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.